Hello, this is Jose Benales. I am presenting my project CSC680 of what I did with HTML, CSS, PHP, databases, and Adobe XD. This final project was to create a website. The website I created was Happy Pup Groomers, designed by me on Adobe XD. Implemented HTML, CSS, and PHP backend to support this website. So pretty simple website. I added a link bar with home, about us, services, dog blog, testimonials, and then added 2 buttons for contacting, booking now to book a service, or contact us to contact us with a message, as well as a blog and a testimonials page. This website was all designed in Adobe XD here. So I put it all together, exported it, and modified the HTML and CSS and PHP for my implementation. The database schema that I used was this. So I created about 4 or 5 tables, actually 6 tables, with customers, groomers, pets, appointments, payments, the blog, and the testimonials. Put those together, made some queries, added some PHP in the background, and I'll go through that here in a second to make it all work. Okay. And what I did is I created a form for scheduling, a form for contact us, a blog with title and body, and then added the testimonials. The design in Adobe XD is right here. Okay. So this is where I put it all together. Very intuitive way. I can add buttons and customize them however I need to. Group them together. And then when I export them, I can modify the section for my own purposes. And I'll show you how I did that here in a second. So I made each page for each different link: home, services, contact us, testimonials, thank you page after contacting us, booking now. So for each one, I made a page. And then I exported that and made some edits. So this is my database right here. Okay, I guess this was the most involved, was the booking now, so I'll share this one. Open my database. The way I made this links is through a form post. So I go through and I choose which link it was selected, and I redirect it to that location. Okay, so these are all the links. And then I open the database, read it with SQL commands, like this one, for example, where it queries it based on phone number. And yeah, I mean, this was my most involved code developing this. So it actually goes through and it validates a phone number, validates the email address, checks if that user exists in the system, checks if the pet exists in the system. If they don't, they creates it. Checks if there's an available groomer in the system. If it does, it creates the appointment. If it's not, it doesn't create the appointment. So this was all implemented in there. So I'll share that piece of it. So if we go into here and then we go to our local host, project 4. Okay, so this is my website. Okay, so I can go to home. It gives us new customer special, information about our website. This is information about us, all made up. The dog grooming business. The services we provide: Full Works, Quick Fix, Shed Buster. Different service types for our grooming. Our blog, testimonials page. Okay, and then we can book now an appointment. So I can pick a name. Whatever. Email address. Whatever that may be. Okay, and then we pick a date. Schedule it. The Full Works was scheduled. It'll give you a booking confirmation. And that's that. Very intuitive, easy to use website. Yeah. Exporting it gave me these files. So these are the ones that I modified. I added my PHP, CSS code, HTML code in here. This is what I'm going to send you. So that's my project. Thank you so much. How do I stop sharing? How do I stop? Let's see. Oh, there I am. End podcast. There we go. End it.